أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today I am standing the outside of the Haram. The stairs of Haram is nearby me, and I am making vlog today in English. Inshallah, the people of America and US and European people can listen by me. And what happened in Iran, you will listen. And you see my sabil for tea, many type of use tea here. You see, they have tea for like sour, and have this one for the 5 type of, and people put the snacks. And I'm going for the tea, the normal tea, which is giving here sabil of Imam Hussein. Today is the day of the mother. Thus, you see here, today is the day where the mother of the whole world, and mother of and the woman of the heaven, woman in the heaven, is the day of. For tomorrow is the birthday. Today I'm here in home. I'm going upstairs. You see, I'm going to Haram and for ziyarat for Bibi Masooma Salamullah Alaiha. You see me here. I'm here at the Haram, nearby Haram. The people are going too much inside. I'm crossing the security point, and I'm standing in the Sahne Fatima. You see in the here is the Sahne Fatima, in here in the home, and you will listen inshallah. And we are going inside the Haram. You see the people too much gathering here for the birth night of the Bibi Fatima Zahra Salamullah Alaiha. The day is very happy night for us, for all Muslims, all Shia Muslims in the world, and we are here inshallah. We are going inside. You see, I am going Bab Imam Raza. This is the Bab Imam Raza, and the Sahan is the called Imam Rahza, Imam Raza alayhi salam. We are going inside. You see of the Sahan of the Imam Raza. Here the people are here happy, so much happy. When we are so much happy, you see the people of the here, all the pilgrims in the whole country, whole the world is coming here from Pakistan, from Iraq, from Lebanon, and many more countries. People are coming here for ziyarat. Alhamdulillah, I am here to shoot the vlog for in first time in English. Inshallah, we are making more videos in English. You see, this is the Haram of Hazrat Fatima Masooma, the sister of Hazrat Imam Raza alayhi salam. Hazrat Imam Raza alayhi salam is the 8th Imam of the Shia Muslims. We are here and I'm making vlog to see people here. Alhamdulillah, making people very happy. This man is come from Iraq. Alhamdulillah, you see, this come from Iraq. He's from Iraq. Alhamdulillah. This man, the pilgrim of the Kurdistan, is near from the Iraq border. He's coming here for ziyarat the Masooma and he talking with Kurd language what he come here and what the feeling of the
من لكل سنة واتين غاز بالشهر يقوم بالزيارات حضرت معصومة السنة إيران واتين
من بيجا يقول كثير تمنى شيء هذا كذي هذا
كردي بالجميع هو
أنا بكردي
زيارة حضرت معصومة جيد غاز مقدس وصلاة وزائر غاز إيران وافيا قبول حتى هذه نيته مرامي جس إن شاء الله قبول بالله حقوت عن زيارة إمو عن رفقنا بالسماوية قبول إن شاء الله.
Inshallah. Is the all the dua, all the pray, all the problems inshallah solve the Masooma bihaqqi Hazrat Masooma. Allah is solve the problem, but the bihaqqi Hazrat Masooma, bihaqqi Hazrat Imam Raza, he will solving the problems. All the Muslims, not for the Shia, all the Muslims in the country, all the world, all the people of the any country, any language, any religion. Inshallah, there is Imam bihaqqi Hazrat Fatima Masooma salamullah alayha to solve many problems. Alhamdulillah, I'm here inshallah I'm here to making vlog the first time in English. Inshallah, we will see. You see, I'm talking about the people, all the surrounding in the world. The people on the other cities come from other cities. I'm talking with him, and they will be happy, so much happy. They will say, we are welcoming here in Qom. You see, I'm very happy to see the people of the around the cities and the world coming from the ziyarat here, and I am so glad, so glad. Inshallah, I'll be making more videos in English, inshallah ta'ala. You see my vlogs, you will subscribe my channel, Sikandar Karbalai Official, and you will be subscribe me in the Facebook, Sikandar Karbalai, and you will be follow me on the Instagram. My name is @Karbalai, KARBELAYEE, and Karbalai, and you will follow me on the Twitter also, BALTISTANI. I'm standing in the Sahan of Gagor, Sahan-e-Tala. You see, in the back side of my side, the gold of Darbe Hazrat Fatima Masooma salamullah alayha. You see, in the back side of my side, the people are praying, people are the ziyarat here, and I'm also come here for ziyarat, and I give salam to. Last 15 days I am in Mashhad, and I will be take salam from him, Imam Raza, and I am giving the salam to Imam Habib Hazrat Masooma salamullah alayha, to give salam to the brother of Hazrat Masooma. I'm going that place. They have had us whole the year is going to have many marasims. It will be called in Farsi in marasim. That, and inshallah they hear the Urdu marasim in the whole the year, all the first place in the world. They will be organizing the majalis, the jashans, and the many programs for Shauda and many programs. I'm going that place, and you will see. I am standing with Nasir Inqalabi. Here is the organizers of the place where all the year is making majalis, and he organized the majalis, jashan, and the programs all in Haram in Urdu language. Alhamdulillah, he's the khadim of Haram Hazrat Masooma salamullah alayha, and a very kind man and very lovely man. Any problem in Qom, any have problems, they will solve the problems. Alhamdulillah. If you talk in English, what you are here and what the purpose?
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। इस वक्त हम हरम करीम अहले बैत में मौजूद हैं। शब विलादत बासादत हज़रत फ़ातिमा ज़हरा सलामुल्लाह अलैहा है। मैं दुनिया भर के मोमिन मोमिनात को मुबारकबाद पेश करता हूँ। खुदावंद ताला जल्द अज जल्द इमाम ज़मान का ज़हूर फरमाए, ताकि वो जश्न मिलाद होगा जिस वक्त इमाम आएंगे। खुदावंद ताला तमाम मोमिनीन की दुआएं मुस्तजाब फरमाए। 365 दिन शबिस्तान अबू तालिब दारुल तलावा में प्रोग्राम जारी रहता है। हर मासूम की शहादत वलादत पे प्रोग्रामों का इजरा होता है। हम खादम हज़रत मासूमा बासियत मोमिन मोमिनात खिदमत में मौजूद हैं। वस्सलाम
dua mamnu inshallah. I'm showing the place. Here is the Shabistan Hazrat Abu Talib. You will see on the back side is the Shabistan Abu Talib here, and the gathering inside, and I show you the gathering in the Urdu language.
दोनों जुमले ज़हन में रखना। अच्छा, मुझे आप एक बात बताएं, उम्मन ये होता है कि किसी ख़ानदान में, कबीले में, बस्ती में, शहर में कोई एक शख्स साहिब शोहरत हो जाए, साहिब हैसियत हो जाए, تو پورا گاؤں، خاندان، شہر، قبیلہ، بھائی سب کیا کہتے ہیں؟ میاں وہ ہمارے خاندان کا منسٹر، ہمارے چچا لگتے ہیں، ہمارے پھپھا لگتے ہیں، وہ ہمارے ماما لگتے ہیں، ہمارے گاؤں کے ہیں.
You will see that the gathering of the Urdu language. I am standing on the Sahan is called Masjid Azam. Behind on me, you see the Masjid Azam inside of me, and I'm here for ziyarat. Inshallah ta'ala, you will see my videos and subscribe my videos. Inshallah, we will see inshallah next video. Iltamas dua, Sikandar Karbala, Qawmul Muqaddas.